if I want to change the colors and layout, I usually prefer just neutral colors. And we can also see that there's kind of inconsistent formatting here. Maybe there was a reason for that. I'm not sure, but there's shrink to fit here option, which makes text go bigger or smaller depending on how much space it occupies. Anyways, I'm going to clean this doing the following. Come to table design. I'm going to choose just this black layout here, white and black. I'm going to, in fact, I'm going to right click and choose apply and clear formatting. Did you see? Right click, apply and clear formatting. Did you see what that do? It already cleared all the different formats we had here and made the formatting consistent throughout the table. I don't like the banded rows, so I'm going to uncheck that too. And we have a better, a cleaner view already of, at least for me. It's just my personal preference, doesn't have to be the same for everyone. I would also come here to view and uncheck grid lines so that we don't have to work with the grid lines. It just makes everything so much cleaner. Okay,